Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jolly Rancher cotton candy with a straw. First, gather your supplies, about 5 to 6 Jolly Ranchers, a microwave-safe bowl, and a sturdy drinking straw. Unwrap each candy and place them individually in the bowl, making sure they have some space between them. Also, prepare a clean, non-stick surface or a sheet of parchment paper nearby. This will be crucial for cooling your spun candy later on. Let's get started. Now carefully microwave your Jolly Ranchers for about 30 to 45 seconds. Watch them closely until they are fully melted and bubbly. Once melted, use your straw to gently stir the candy, blending the colors if you're using different ones. You want a smooth, thick liquid consistency, not something burnt or too watery. This perfect melt is key to getting that beautiful cotton candy texture. Be careful, as the candy will be very hot. With your candy melted, it's time for the fun part. Dip the tip of your straw into the warm, melted Jolly Rancher, coating about 1 inch. Then quickly and continuously spin the straw over your prepared non-stick surface. As you spin, thin strands of candy will form. Keep dipping and spinning, building up layers of these delicate candy threads. The faster you spin, the finer your cotton candy will be. It's a bit messy, but totally worth it. Once you have a good amount of spun candy, gently gather the delicate strands into a fluffy, edible cloud. You've just created your very own Jolly Rancher cotton candy. It's best enjoyed fresh, so dig in and savor your sweet creation. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy candy making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.